Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Alan and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at my in-laws house again, working on their house. And if you're new to this series, my in-laws house was hit by a tornado towards the end of 2019. And we were basically rebuilding it, repairing all the tornado damage, and then also kind of remodeling it at the same time. Today we're going to be trying to put some more trusses up on the roof in this section of the house right in here. And then probably put some more decking on the roof also. And I will film everything that we do today and hope you guys enjoy the video. We are just about to take a break for lunch, but I thought I'd walk you guys around and show you everything we've done so far today. And then we'll come back after lunch and do some more work. So we got the last few trusses put up here, just kind of, they're basically just up there and spaced at 24 and just kind of temporarily tacked up there until we get the more decking on. But this is probably all the trusses we're going to get on today. Then after lunch, I think we're going to work on demoing this part of the house, which is currently like the kitchen and garage. And we also got this part of the floor right here decked, so that is done. And I think after lunch we're also going to try to put on some more decking on the rest of this as much as we can. So yeah, we will get back after it after we eat. guys, that's going to wrap it up for our video today, but thank you so much for watching, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of us working on my in-laws house. And we really got a lot of work done today, and we're really thankful for everybody that came and helped out today. Couldn't have done all this without having a big crew of guys to help. So we'll see you in the next one.